And hello everyone, welcome back to CSC 151, Computer Applications. In this video, I'm going to go over Glitch. What is Glitch? Well, Glitch is a website, so glitch.com. I want to go to glitch.com, give it a few seconds, and in this website is what we're going to be using in order to make our HTML assignments. So, first things first, I'm just going to simply log in, and I can just log in from Google. And in theory, it should already know my account because I've already had this. But if you have to, you might have to make an account, so on and so forth. There I go. And... oh, hello? Google, did you not? There we go. And this is what Glitch will wind up generally looking like for you. You'll have down here, you already have your assignments that you've already made. You want to go to a new project, there's literally a new project button. And it'll ask you what you want, whether you want a node, a React, we're going to just be using simply Glitch Hello websites. So if I were to simply go to a new Glitch Hello website, here we go. It'll take a little bit of time to load. And you'll see something that looks like this. As a matter of fact, let me just scroll this screen up so that you see the little toolbar down at the very bottom of the screen as well. This is what you'll wind up seeing. Now, what you'll have is you'll have a license or a README, which will tell you, hey, here's these things about reading me. We're going to ignore it. There's a licensing agreement, which of course we're going to ignore that too. There's a to-do list, which we're going to ignore. We're not going to be doing anything with the cascading style sheet. In theory, this would be where you would put, a bunch of different content stuff like having a background color and whatnot, but we're going to do those things directly on the page in our assignments. And we don't actually even have any JavaScript that we're going to be doing in here, so really the only thing we're going to be doing is on the index page. Now, the index page, sorry for the cough, the index page is basically the page of a website. You want to see what this is literally the first page in any website. The first page is your index page. You'll notice it is an HTML. That stands for Hypertext Markup Language. That is the language of a website. So we are going to, at certain points of time, just type stuff in this index page, and that will become our projects. Now, with that being said, this is just a lot of text right here, and it looks kind of odd. And this is why I like Glitch. Because there's this little thing right down here called the preview button, and I click the preview button, I have two options. I can have it in a new window, or my personal preference, open the preview pane. And the open the preview pane will literally on the right hand side, and you can click and drag to see which side of it is you want. It'll show you exactly what your website currently looks like, what the page you're currently on looks like. So if I find the information where that's in my head, where's my body, there's my body. If I find the spot that says hello world, and I instead put CSC 151, you'll notice it updated and changed to now say CSC 151. Whatever you do on this side will on the other side over here, on the right hand side, will show up in relatively real time. So, first things first, whenever you make any Glitch assignment, you may have noticed that the name of this is Chocolate Noble Supernova. It likes to give us random names. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to right-click this. No. Where's the settings? Under settings? Is it under settings? Let me take a look at this again. Settings. Yeah, here we go. If I click the settings button, I can edit the project details, and I can change this to whatever it is I want it to say. So, for example, I want you to put your name in this because I don't want to see Chocolate Noble Supernova. I would like to see your name. So you know what? I'll name this, I don't know, CSC 151 D Monticchio Class Examples. And because I'll use this file particularly for any sort of class examples that I'm going to be using in these videos. And, I can also change the description of it if I want to, but there we go. And save. You can only use letters, numbers, and hyphens. Okay, so it does not like underscores. I will use a hyphen then. There we go. And now I'll save. There we go. And now you'll see that my CSE151D Montecchio class examples.glitch.me is the name of my file. Now, if I want to send in an assignment in this class, I could just copy whatever's in my index page. So maybe Command A, select all, Command C for copy, and I could paste that into a Word document or a text document or whatever and send it in that way. Or, considering this right here is literally the name of my file, there is this option under the 3 dots over here, ... to copy that link. And you can copy that link and send that link into me as your file. So that's how you would wind up saving these and submitting them and sending the assignments in through Canvas. Now then, the other thing you might notice is there's this option called Files. You can go and add new files to this. So if you want to make a page, I don't know, I'll name this example page. Let me just do a capital P there just for the exam, just so that I can see the difference between the two words. And then, of course, whatever the file extension it is you want. So considering we're doing HTML, it would be .html. And if I click Add this file, and now I have an example page.html. Now, there's nothing on my example page right now. It's literally a blank page. But if I go to my index, because what I'm seeing is I'm seeing my index. You will always see the index. The index is the first page of a website. I would have to, somewhere on this, make a hyperlink that goes to my example page and to be able to see it. So I'll just probably do that right now. I'll just make an anchor right here. A equal href equals, and I'll put example page.html, and then I will go and say click me. Yeah, I should see a click me now here. Okay, cool. So I go to click me, and click me goes to my blank page, which was my example page, because there's absolutely nothing on this page right now. And if I want to, if I'm ever stuck and I'm like on a page I don't want to be on, just click this little refresh button, and it'll take you right back to the index page of your website. So that's the general basics of overview of glitch.com. And yeah, in the next couple of videos, I'm going to actually start talking about the actual coding of HTML. So thank you all very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.